Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be discussing about Know Your GST Refund Tool. Now we have developed an updated version of Know Your GST Refund Tool in which you just need to enter the GST number, username and the password of your GST portal. Along with that, you just need to answer 3 simple questions. Once you hit the submit button, it will tell you first the eligibility. The eligibility criteria for any type of GST refund for which you are eligible. After that, the second point, calculation. It will help you to calculate that particular GST refund. Third, and the very important part, is the GST refund health check. For example, if you have claimed any GST refund before this, it will tell you that what is the status of that particular GST refund. Or if you are continuously filing your GST refund from the past few periods, it will let you know what was the chances of getting it done, like getting it done right, what was the total value of the same, what was the total value of the rejected refund, what could be the estimated interest on the delayed refunds, which is an important part for the both new business owners who are coming into business and claiming the GST refund, and for the old business owners who have already filing GST refunds. So if you are also a business owner and you want to know something about your GST refund, you should always use Know Your GST Refund Tool. That's all for today's video. I hope you will like us, and if you are continuously watching us, I would recommend you to subscribe our channel because we will be bringing more content like this on this channel. Thanks a lot.